Hey guys, so quick video how you can connect the Dell monitor to your laptop through the docking station. So this is like super simple. First, what you need to do is that you need to connect the Dell monitor to the outlet. So do that first. I'm going to show you how it looks like this. So you're going to connect your Dell monitor to your what is called like outlet. Then you're going to connect Dell monitor with the cable to the dock station, and you're going to connect keyboard and mouse, connect the extra monitors, and then connect different cable, connect other external USB devices. In this regard, connect the power cable to docking station, power the docking station. So this is how you're going to do it. So when you're going to have it like this, I don't know what kind of docking station you got, but the process is really simple. You're just gonna connect it right there to the docking station, and then you're gonna connect the docking station to your laptop. That's it, how it's done. It's super simple, like this. Do you see that? So you're gonna have like HDMI in monitor, HDMI in ending in to your docking station, and then docking station connected to your laptop. So have a great day and goodbye.